If it learn how to produce things where people they use every day, like soap, skincare products, and household chemicals.
Knowledge fit change your life.
Welcome to MoneywayTV.
So this is the pot I'm going to be using for this production. 20 liters is 20 liters bucket. This is my PKO, palm kernel oil. This is my caustic soda. This is my soda ash. That is my calcium. That is my phenol, my perfume, my color, and my sulfate. And this is my water. So the first thing first is to add my palm kernel oil into the container that I will be using for the production. This is where all my mixing shall be taking place. I'm using 5 liters of palm kernel oil for this production. Make sure you watch to the end. This video is about 12 or how many minutes. You cannot overemphasize the gain you will get in this video. You will gain a lot compared to using it to watch entertainment and funny videos. If you really want to sow seed into your life, you will watch till the end and you will appreciate what I have dished out. So I'm trying to add my color. This color is color yellow and is oil color. You use oil color for oil-based products and you use water color. There are two different types of color, oil color and water color, and you use water color for water-based product like laundry soap. Do you understand? So for things like this, we use oil-based. So I'm stirring it very well so that it will dissolve well into the oil. This is the first thing. If you want your soap to be color uniform, if you want everything to dissolve well and come out with a brilliant color, try to add your color in the beginning. So I'm now trying to get 3 liters of water that I will use to dissolve my caustic soda. Do you understand? So I'll be dissolving my caustic soda. That's the next thing online. You will be very careful with the caustic soda because it's very, very corrosive. It's poisonous. It's harsh. It's everything. Always remember to wear your hand gloves and your goggle or eyeglass, and wear protective clothes and footwear. You mix it thoroughly. You shift your nose to some angle away from the foam of the caustic. Do you understand? And you mix it with the oil in the mixing container. You pour it there and you stir it very well. Stir it very, very, very well. You can also add color at the end of your production, but it won't be catchy. You will need to add more color. Then the quantity that it will require will be much compared to this beginning stage. So the next thing now is to pour water that I will use to dissolve the soda ash, the sulfate, and the calcium. That's the remaining 5 liters of water. The calcium will absorb. The reason for this calcium is for it to absorb the water that we are using to, in excess. So this will give us a very good gain. I'm telling you, as I'm talking, I'm using 25,000 naira to make 108,000. That is what the number of pieces of bar soaps it will give me. We are adding the sulfate. I have 144 pieces of bathing soap in my carton. This is a calcium. We are adding the calcium now, and this will give me 3 cartons. That's 144 times 3. That's what it will give me. So it's the sharp money business. I already know where I will. The people that will. In fact, this one is somebody that has it. I'm producing it for somebody. Maybe I'm done. I'm sending it away. The person is waiting as I'm talking to you. He's waiting. So it will dry immediately, and I will send it out. So you mix thoroughly, very well. Make sure nothing dissolves under the bottom of the bucket. Then you pour it into the mixture on ground. If you have this as a side hustle, it's not bad. You mix it very well. Mix very well. If you can produce this using 25,000 to make 108,000, you know the difference. You can be making it every 2 weeks, every month, every one week, twice in a week, depending on your supplies. If you are in a remote area, you don't go with that now. They will buy and buy and buy. So after mixing, you cover it. You cover it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you open it and mix again. Mix thoroughly. I also understand that producing is not selling. But if you continue to be there, if you stick there, if you did not run, one day, you will peak and you will be seeing your customers. Your customer will know you, you will know them. They will be looking for you. That's just what it is in production. If you start early, you will think nobody knows you. You think you are not selling. You will have challenges in your marketing. But when I tell you that I'm into this for like more than 10 years, so you should expect me to have where I'm discharging it. You understand? So it becomes my hustle. I engage in other things. I do other businesses, but this one, now sure banker. Anytime I use them, you understand? So you cover it. After mixing, you cover for another 30 minutes. So the 30 minutes have elapsed. We will now mix. We will now turn it again. We will now stir it very well before we put it on the fire. So now we will stir very, very well. If you have watched up to this moment, I want you to write in the comment section that I'm following, that you are following me. And always like to share this video to people of like minds. Do you understand? Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me a lot. It helps me to continue to roll out contents like this. Okay, now we have put it on fire. Can you see? That's the next stage. I already told you the next stage is putting it on fire and allow it to melt. It can take you 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes depending on your oil, because at this stage some oil will be harder than what you are seeing, some will still be watery. So the procedure is just what you need to follow. If it takes 5 minutes for it to melt, fine and good, but after melting it will become like creamy. The soap will become creamy. Then you will know that yes, the soap have saponified. Mind you, this This process took me to night. We are at night now. I'm doing this recording with my phone video torchlight. I'm doing this with my phone light. So that is what it is. That's why the video quality seems, I don't know if it is dark or something. So now is night. So I'm rushing to finish up, and so the next thing that we'll be doing now is to add our phenol, perfume, and any extracts. If you are using moringa, neem leaf, anything, any extract, herbal extract you want to add, glycerin or any other thing that you want to add, whitening soap, ingredients, anything that you want to add, this is the right time to add them. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos like I've said earlier. Like, show me more likes. I want to see likes on this video. If you are followed to this extent, I want to see more likes. Okay, thank you, because those are the things that motivate me. You know that productions like these videos, this niche that I'm into, you can hardly do a free video. You have to buy things. It costs me money to do this video. Anytime I want to teach you something, I will need to buy ingredients. What you see? So if you want to be encouraging me, I would like you to be, I would like to be seeing your likes, your sharing, your comments. It motivates me. So I'm adding my calcium. This is the last one of the last parts. This calcium, I was supposed to add it earlier and boil it with it, but there is no problem. I will still integrate it into the system. Do you understand? I want to show you that there are a lot of ways to kill a rat. You understand? What's gonna be is gonna be. We are long in this game, so and whichever way it will still work out. That's what I'm trying to show you now. So any mistake is still correctable. Do you understand? So you work it into this soap. You work it into the soap. We need that exact amount to absorb all the excess water we use for the production. You know the water is what is giving the money. The moolah, the rubber is the water that we are using to boost, and we are using that calcium to do the body of the soap. That's the body it will carry, and it will multiply from 25,000 to 108,000. No be beans. Abi, you have to think to get it out. You have to think critically out of the box to get it out. So you see, as I'm just showing all these things for you to see how I'm working it into the soap. So I'm done. Yeah, this early mama. Good morning. The soap is ready, hard, and that's what you are seeing. You can see the leftover. The whole of the 20 liters could not enter my mold, so I had leftovers. You can see as hard as it is. You can see the impact it created there. For you to know it's hard. This is the next morning, early pie. Show me some love. I want to see likeness. Give me likes, okay? So my nylon leaked. So this is the soap that poured from the bottom, but as you can see, it is hard. Yes. If you become consistent, you will hardly have a failed soap. Do you understand? If you learn very well, I do training. If you learn very well, you will hardly have failed soap. I answer my students, okay? Anytime, any day, you can beckon at me. I will give you answers to whatever it is that you are finding difficult to understand. So I'm always there, okay? So as you see, as I dey knack am dey come out. See as hard as it is. No be cho. No be cho. Na so e be. So if you do your own and you did not get it right, consult me. Something is wrong somewhere. This is how you see how from your look you are saying that it is hard. Abi, shey you dey see am now. E dey play, e dey show. So that's money way for you, as you can see. Abi, something wey no hard, dey carry am like this. You dey see am now. So we have come to the end of the video. Like, subscribe, share, and give your comments on the comment section. I will answer them. Don't forget to call me for your training. I will always answer your calls. Thank you and God bless you.